The end. On September 20th, 2023, we officially bid farewell to Jersey and Chats. For months, after Jersey crossed over, Chats didn't seem to be able to move on. As we know, he was a stubborn bull, and he truly wanted to be with Jersey. On September 16, we received inspiration from our higher self to let Chats be together with Jersey and replace the physical part with another avatar or identity. Hi, I'm Jaziel Janang. You can call me Jazzy. Chats has left the body to be with Jersey, and I'm the next level avatar on this Earth adventure. It might take a while to adjust to this physical body and brain with this new avatar. So, for the time being, I will withdraw from Chat's reality as much as possible, like not looking or focusing on my appearance. If you are a member of Chat's family, you might be familiar with the name Janang. That's Chat's great-grandfather. Chats like names that start with J. At first, he wanted the next avatar to be Jacob, but his truck's name is Jacob. So, we looked at baby names and found Jaziel, the grandson of Jacob in the Bible. You might be wondering if I'm a Christian. Chat's family always worried if he converted to Christianity or follow another religion since he was transgender and loved dogs. The answer is no. Chats was not a Christian, and I'm not a Christian or follow any specific organized religion. Learning from Chat's experience here on Earth, my life principle will be based on the following: unconditional love, live and let live, also known as mind your own fucking business, follow your excitement, you create your own reality, everything is always working out for you. What if you die and are able to come back to Earth? Live your new life with all the knowledge you have gained from your previous life. If you follow the teachings of spiritual teachers like Dolores Cannon or Bashar, you know that when we die, we would review what we have learned from that life. Then, we would decide whether we want to go back, what the new life stream is, who will be our parents, our family, the people we will meet, and our pets. A lot of people wonder, who would want to go back to Earth? It sucks. So many challenges, so many limitations. Why would we? The reason is that Earth is a masterclass. The amount of power, strength, and assurance it takes for our soul to choose Earth made us masters. We chose Earth because we know we can handle it. We know we are powerful, and no matter how dark it is, we can turn it into light. The challenge we all face is that we forgot about all this at birth. But what if we die, we review our lives, and decide to come back, but this time, we don't forget? For me, remembering who we truly are and deciding to live the unique frequency of our spirit is a spiritual awakening. While I already started questioning the beliefs in society since I was at a young age, I reached this stage at the age of 48. And while there are many dark periods in my previous life or timeline, the one that helped me take the leap of faith was the death of my soul dog, Jersey. I believe that was her purpose or soul contract with me. So I thank you, Jersey, for being my soulmate and my spirit guide. Here's the beginning of a new book. It's not the next chapter of the old book. That book has ended, closed. If you've been in the last book, thank you for agreeing to be a part of this one too. If this is the first time you have heard about me, remember that there is no coincidence. So, follow me on this new adventure on any of your favorite social media apps below.